Hi, I'm Esther from Crystal Family Home. We are running an orphanage for the past 10 years. It has been running solely on donations and charitable organizations who are helping us, and we need a lot of donations for this home. The children here are all from dysfunctional families. Either they don't have a mom or dad, the children don't go to school, so we educate them for the future of the children. We are doing this work is because we want the children to have a better future in their life, better hope in their life that they are looking for, for their lives, which they seems to have lost everything in their life. So we started this home because we wanted to help these children. My children are all married, so we are like empty nest. So we thought, why don't we do this work to help these children in their education, so they stay in with us until Form 5. We give A to Z, we supply everything for them, and if they after Form 5 they wish to go to a college, we also send them to the college. So far people have been good in providing for us, but we still are in need of cash for this home. Okay, my home name is Crystal Family Home. We are located in Penang in number 37, Medan, Guan. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to help us, you can call us at this number in 827-3079. Thank you.